There's a science of the overlap, www.ofesferc.com. 369 and the moon phases. Let's go through this. You know what I'm saying? So you want to understand why your global elite does rituals around the new moon, which is the new moon or the dark moon. You know what I'm saying? And the whole point is that you have to maintain your three. Maintain your three. You understand what I'm saying? Which is your sovereignty and your freedom in the sixth realm or the yellow sun grid that gets its power from the sun. You understand what I'm saying? The yellow sun grid, not the perpetual twilight plane. You understand what I'm saying? Total eclipse. So we're going to break it down like this. You got the three, which is a new moon, right? I'm sorry, three, which is a full moon. Excuse me, three, which is a full moon. 6 is a new moon. 9 is a dark moon. This is protection. You understand what I'm saying? So check this out. Waxing is more energy coming from the yellow sun grid, from the solar, from the yellow sun grid. Waning is less energy coming from the solar or from the yellow sun grid. You understand what I'm saying? When less energy is coming from the yellow sun grid, there's no reflection. It's time to go inward. You understand what I'm saying? And when you go inward, you have 2-3 days of darkness that's complete eclipse. A complete eclipse. Even in the daytime, you become invisible. You go inward. You understand what I'm saying? And that's where most of your rituals happen. What did I say right there? Oh, midnight, right. So you got right here 364, 28 days, 364, 28 days, and the day out of time, the one, which is the 3. 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? So you got to understand, this is in reverse. Your global elite wants you to get more yellow sun grid siphoned. You know what I'm saying? Servitude. They don't want you to be sovereign and go inward and tap into the dark moon energy, where it's 2-3 days, 2-3 days. You know what I'm saying? Where there's no reflection from the yellow sun grid. There's no mirror from the outside world. You understand what I'm saying? You're totally going inward, and that's where you do your rituals. That's where you do your shadow, your magic, all that stuff. And they know that. You understand what I'm saying? So you have right here the 13 moons. You understand what I'm saying? 13 moons, 12 suns. You know what I'm saying? The 12 sun grid. You know what I'm saying? So it's really 13 moons. They know that. And the whole point is that they want to separate, they want to drain your power from the sun, the full moon, and turn your 9 into a 6 to have you servitude on this plane, where you replete, where you have a repeat cycle and reset. You understand what I'm saying? But right here, you have what? No outside reflection from the material world. You enter the spiritual world, the perpetual twilight plane, the electromagnetic plane, the nether world, the etheric world, the astral plane, whatever you want to call it. You understand what I'm saying? Eclipse, dark moon is the eclipse, invisible night and day, because you can't see it. You understand what I'm saying? You can't see the dark moon. You understand what I'm saying? In the day, because I've went into the perpetual twilight plane. You get what I'm saying? So you got to protect your queen, you got to protect your king, protect your queen, and I'm going to break all that other stuff down soon. But this is right here, and if there's any other updates, I'm going to let y'all know. You got the 28 times 13, which make it 364, plus the 1 day out of time. You understand what I'm saying? You get me? You see me? This is reality. You have to understand that this was meant for you to understand. This, you understand what I'm saying? Whoever understand it. Because this addition means that you have more gravity down, to the grid, rather than you have subtract and you tap more into the invisible plane, because you become invisible. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not getting no reflection from the yellow sun grid. You get what I'm saying? You create an eclipse. This can happen in real life. You have to make sure that a person does not even need to reflect their light onto you. You go into yours and you reflect yours. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is Science of the Overlap, www.com, ofesferc.com. All right.